Well, we got a rear quarter panel. Spin it around so you can see what we're working with here. It's got rust holes. What's really cool, for one, it's this. Wait, this is blue. This isn't the same color. This is blue. Dang it. I thought this was the green, but it's clearly blue. That's all right. So my plan is to take all of the spot welds out. Let me try and get this on a table and we'll go from there. But very excited. When I have the, I'm going to call it the skin, off of the rear quarter panel structure, I'll clean up these dents with the hammer or the dolly. I'm not going to go crazy trying to get it perfect because that's not what I'm going for. But yeah, get all the spot welds, get this skin, I'll call it, off, and we'll do the same thing. I'm going to have to pull the rear glass on the rear quarter panel of the gasser and take out the same spot welds on that as I'm going to do on this one, and it should just plop right on there with no problem at all. Got an extra taillight out of the deal. That's kind of cool. Pretty excited I got this emblem out of the deal too. I don't know if I can just get it off of here without damaging it. Or leave it on because the paint's near perfect here. What I'm doing is just cleaning this area up so I can see where the spot welds are, because I'm going to clean those spots up so I can see where the spot welds are, and then I'm going to drill the spot welds out. So there's like this adhesive that's in here that needs to go so I can see. So I'm just using the wire wheel on my drill to get that out. And with that, I can see there's a spot weld here, here, and here. So I'm just going to go along this whole edge and get it ready to drill. Well, let's drill some holes and see if it works. So we're like halfway there. Gonna finish drilling these holes out, and then I'll take a chisel and pop through the seam there and see if we got them all. Now I've got my chisel. I'm going to start in one corner and one spot, work my way around. just going to run across here with my wire wheel to see where the spot welds are along here. Can't see them the best here, but I know this is one. You don't have to go all the way through. You just got to go through the layer that's welded. Like right here, I'm fine. I didn't go all the way through. I did here. So now I can see where all my little spot holes are. I'm going to grab a larger drill bit and go back over these. Ow, that hurt. I gotta run up the street and listen to a big block fire up that's coming out of a boat to go in a 56 Chevy gasser. Not this 56 Chevy, another 56 Chevy. And we'll get back at it when I get back. What I'm hoping to do is use this to line this quarter panel up on the car. So I want to make sure I get this off as clean as possible. Just not seeing where all the spot welds are. Look at that. Well, there you have it. We have our rear quarter panel that is stripped. We just have the skin, which we'll do it the other way. We'll leave the structure, but cut the skin off. And I'll probably just do that with a plasma cutter, get it down to the edges, and then I'll clean the edges up where the spot welds are, so we can just set this on there. And I think it went pretty well. While I've got this off like this, tomorrow I'll spend some time and run my hammer and dolly along these dents, get this dent out, any other little imperfections. Like right here, there's a dent. I'll massage that out. Not gonna get it perfect. It's a bummer this isn't the same color that I thought it was. It's definitely the blue, it's not the teal. But thanks for watching. Next episode we'll be putting this back in. And I appreciate the support. Take care.